In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $300 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Huion HS611 Drawing Tablet. The Huion HS611 graphic tablet is a high-concerned chemical-free digital tablet with 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI. It comes in 3 colors, coral red, starry blue, and space gray, and features a slim and lightweight design, making it easy to carry for outdoor drawing. The tablet also includes a battery-free digital pen PW500, which comes in matching colors and supports plus or minus 60 degrees tilt and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Additionally, the tablet offers a media bar for controlling background music and switching between programs, as well as a 266 pps report rate for rapid and smooth lines input. With its versatile interface options and compatibility with various operating systems, the Huion HS611 is a perfect partner for creative individuals seeking a unique and immersive working environment. Number 2. GAOMON PD1161 Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 11.6-inch IPS HD graphics drawing digital tablet monitor is a high-quality pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 11.5 inches. It features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 50/80 LPI resolution ratio, and a report rate of 266 pps. The tablet is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for on-the-go creation. With 8 customizable shortcut keys and 5 menu keys, it offers efficient work acceleration and adjustments. The tablet is compatible with Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and comes with a battery-free digital pen. Overall, the GAOMON PD1161 provides a smooth and natural digital creation experience with its high-quality display and ergonomic design. Number 3. Huion Inspiroy 2 Tablets. The Huion Inspiroy 2M graphic tablet is a high-concerned chemical-free digital tablet with 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI. It comes with a USB interface and is CE certified. The tablet has a length of 246 mm and a width of 152 mm, and it is compatible with various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and Harmony OS. The tablet features 3 group keys, 1 press key with 3 functions, and shortcuts and a scroller for easier navigation. It is also compatible with Android and Harmony OS phones and tablets, expanding its usability. Additionally, it is designed to be suitable for left-handed artists as well. Number 4. Huion Kamvas 16 Tablets. The Huion Kamvas 16, 2021, is a pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 15.6 inches. It offers 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI, providing a high-quality drawing experience. The tablet is made of acrylic and has a USB interface. It is compatible with various mainstream drawing and designing software and supports connectivity with Mac OS, Windows, and Android devices. The tablet comes with a PW517 battery-free EMR pen and 10 programmable press keys for added convenience. Additionally, it features a 3-in-1 cable for HDMI mode and supports connectivity with Android devices via USB-C to USB-C cable. With its strong compatibility and versatile features, the Huion Kamvas 16 is suitable for professional digital artists and designers. Number 5. GAOMON M10K Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON M10K 2018 version is a 10 by 6.25 inches art digital graphic tablet designed for drawing, engineering, drafting, and sketching. It features a passive pen with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, providing accurate and responsive pen cursor movement. The tablet has express keys for shortcuts, a 16:9 aspect ratio, and high-level parameters such as a report rate of 250 pps and a resolution of 5080 lpi. It is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems, and supports painting software like Photoshop CC, Krita, Illustrator CC, and more. The tablet is made of plastic, has a USB interface, and is certified with CE and EAC. It is suitable for use with laptops, PC computers, and MacBooks.